Hey Realtors, we're looking for great partners like you. We're a vacation rental company that not only helps you sell homes, but pays you for partnering with us as well. We also provide you with free marketing materials to help you close the deal, and we advertise your business and our properties for free. When you partner with us, it's a win-win. Here's how it works. First, sign up for our Referral Partner Program. Next, we provide you with a market revenue analysis that lets your clients know how much they could make on their investment. We can even provide you with a detailed revenue analysis for a specific property. We also provide you with marketing materials to help you sell the home. If you'd like us to, we can help you search through MLS listings to identify which properties have the most vacation rental potential. With over 10 years of experience in the vacation rental industry, we know what to look for. And best of all, if your client signs on with us, you'll receive a finder's fee. Once the property becomes a vacation rental, we'll put a display in the property advertising your business, which potentially thousands of guests will see. Sign up for our referral program today and find out how great partnering with us can really be.